All right, boys and girls, so you're going to watch this video first, and then you're going to jump into taking your spelling test. And your spelling words were on homophones, homonyms, and homographs this past couple weeks. And I just wanted to review them so it was fresh in your mind right before you get into the test. Um, so we have our homonyms, are words that sound the same, are spelled the same, but have different meanings. So, for example, your word bank from your spelling list. You have a river bank, which is the shoreline along a river, but you also have a bank where you keep money, like a piggy bank. You also had the word muffler on your spelling list, and that's an object to either suppress the noise from a car or it's a type of scarf that's worn around the neck for warmth in the winter. Another example of this is a bat. We have a baseball bat, or we have the animal bat. Next up are our homophones. Our homophones are words that sound the same, are spelled differently, and have different meanings. Okay, so we have, for example, from your spelling list, we had male and male. This male right here is a letter from a post office, and this male over here is if you're talking about a boy or a man. The other two you have on your list are night and night. The first night is at nighttime when you sleep. And then the second night is like a knight in shining armor down here, this picture. And our last set are ant and ant. Okay. This first ant is talking about the insect. This second ant is talking about a relative that you might have. And last up are homographs. Okay. These are words that sound different but are spelled the same and have different meanings. So it depends on how they are being used in the sentence, okay? So they sound different, they're spelled exactly the same though, and they have different meanings. So we have ribbon, okay, to describe a bow. So if I say right here, this picture is a picture of a bow, talking about using ribbon to make a bow. This one over here is a bow. So if you're bending forward, if you take a bow after a presentation, and this word never changed in its spelling, but it changed in how we pronounced it, and it changed because of how it was being used. So down here we have a bass, which is a musical instrument, or we have a bass, which is a type of fish. So again, the spelling did not change, but the sound and how we use that word changed based on how it was being used. And our last one is our record. Okay, a record is this has a plastic disc, but it could be a CD. It could be anything that music is produced onto. But you can also record onto a tape, or like I'm doing right now, recording a video for you. So again, the spelling of that word did not change. However, the sound of it was changed based on how it was being used. Okay? So now you're going to go into your spelling test. You're going to go to the other link on the Google Doc, and you're going to take your spelling test. Your spelling test is going to have a mix of fill in the blank, multiple choice, and even a couple pictures for you so that you have to decide which of these fits correctly into the sentences given. All right, boys and girls, thank you.